చేయొద్దు. If you postpone the things, they are not going to happen. Yes. Okay. Good evening, everyone, students. Welcome to free online coaching for Polycet 2024. So I would like to invite Arun sir to start the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. Hope you're doing good. Exam ela rasaru. Inkoka exam అయిపోయింది. That's good. Yeah, good evening. How was your exam yesterday? Oh, good. Superb. Good. Pranati says super, sir. All right. Good. All right. Another battle over. Inkoka exam on the Polycet. Let's prepare for that dedicatedly. All right. So today we're going to do first chapter of physical sciences students, reflection. All right. Yashua says excellent. Gayatri says all right. Good. Good. All right. So let's start with reflection students. When the ray diagrams of our revised chase query, we'll go for problems. All right. Shall we get started? All right. Good. Ready. Let's get started. So students, here we'll start with the very basics. Yes, Gayatri, tomorrow you've got results. Waiting for that eagerly. Even we are waiting for that eagerly. All right, let's get started, students. Let's focus on reflection now. So it's spherical mirror. All right, we'll start from very basic. A mirror, which is a part of a sphere, is called a spherical mirror. All right. And here is the center of the sphere, which is called center of curvature of the spherical mirror. Center of the sphere, of which the mirror is a part, is called the center of curvature of the mirror. These lines over here we have drawn to represent the painted surface, students. Adi reflective surface. Left side emo light incident ayi reflect avutundi. Right side is the painted surface. All right, lines are drawn to show that. When you join center of curvature to the pole, center of the mirror, that's called radius of curvature, of the mirror. All right. C is the center of curvature, R is the radius of curvature. Now we get pole. Pole is nothing but the center of the mirror, geometric center of the mirror. When I join the center of curvature and pole, what I get is the principal axis. All right. All right. Now let's look at the rules of the ray diagrams. You already know all these things because you have written 2 exams well. So we'll go a quick. We'll have a quick review. All right. So when a light ray parallel to the principal axis is incident on the mirror, how do you think would it be reflected? Quick answer. A ray parallel to principal axis. How do you think, where do you think the ray will pass through? Yeah, type your answer in the chat box and also direct your answers to me, students. Arun, Jet Arun. Send your answers to Jet Arun. All right, because I'm not receiving all the answers. So I presume you're not answering to me. Yes, Shriya, hello. Yes, through F, that's excellent. All right. Focus through F, from F, all right. So here's the ray parallel to principal axis. When this goes and hits the mirror, you get a ray passing through focus. So reflected ray passes through a point on the axis called principal focus of the mirror. Yes, excellent. Everyone is right, students. Through focus, excellent. 2 battles ni battle out చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు రెడీగా ఉన్నారు థర్డ్ బ్యాటిల్ కి. చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. That's called F, students. Now, when a ray passes through focus, incident on the mirror, it reflects parallel to the principal axis. Alright, reflected ray passes parallel to the axis, principal axis of the mirror. When the ray passes through center of curvature and is incident on the mirror, it will retrace the path. Alright, that yellow ray is reflected, see. White ray is incident, yellow ray is reflected ray. It is returns in the same path. Yes, that's right, Raja. America, Veda, yes, correct, good. So reflected ray retraces its path. When the ray hits the pole of the mirror, it reflects symmetrically with respect to the principal axis. This way. So this angle, if this is theta, this is also theta. All right, it reflects symmetrically with respect to principal axis, making an angle theta with the principal axis as same angle. Yes, that's right, absolutely right. Yes, when I is equal to R, excellent. Now, we can use any of these two rays or out of these four to trace an image of the object. Given any object, we can trace the image. Taking any two of these rays. So two rays sufficient from any point to get the image of that point. Two rays are sufficient. All right. All right. Let's start with object being at a certain distance from the mirror, beyond center of curvature. Students, Mali Cheptunanu, you can answer this with memory, but don't answer from memory. Visualize the ray diagram and then answer. Ray diagram visualization is very important, not just now, in intermediate and engineering also. So we are looking way ahead and then preparing for the exam. Okay, answer is perfect, but have you visualized? That's very important. Visualization important, students. Yes, Ganeshwar, Kumari, Riya, Shalini, Bhavna. Excellent. Gayatri. Still more students to answer. So I'll give you 5 more seconds. I want all the answers. Tapunna, correctunna, sare, but I'm getting all the right answers. That's excellent. Your performance is good, students, but I want everyone to interact. Akhilesh, it is not a center of curvature, students. Akhilesh, it is not a center of curvature. Center of curvature, it forms at same place. Yes, Jyoti, Shruti. I'll wait for another 10 seconds. Then we'll go faster. Yes, Gautami, Harshita, new names. Good. Welcome to the session. Those who are new to the session, seems like you're new. I'm finding these names to be new. Yes, Veda. Inverted, diminished, real, formed in focus and center of curvature. Excellent. All right. I want everyone to interact. So most of the answers I've got, but there are still students who are not answering. I'll name them. Do answer. All right. After some time, I'll name them. All right. Here is how we do. I'll choose a ray which is parallel to the principal axis. So that will pass through focus this way. I'll choose another ray which is passing through focus that will get reflected and pass parallel to the principal axis. Now, the intersection of these two rays is where the image is formed. The red colored arrow is the object. Sorry, yellow colored arrow is the object, and red colored arrow is the image, inverted image. All right. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. So real image is formed where the reflected light rays meet. Now let's move the object closer. It's still beyond center of curvature, but closer to the mirror. ఇంతకు ముందు దూరం ఉండే కొంచెం క్లోజ్ వచ్చింది. All right, now let's look at the ray diagram. Again, I'll do some same thing. I'll choose two rays, principal axis, parallel to principal axis that passes through focus, passing through focus, parallel to principal axis, between C and F, brilliant. Fantastic response. But I want a faster response, students. Think of fast. Under type చేయండి. Because we want to go a little faster. చాలా problems కూడా ఉన్నాయి. చాలా questions ఉన్నాయి. Sorry. All right. Here is the image. Now, if you notice, the image has gone a little bigger. Has grown a little bigger. ఇంతకుముందు కొంచెం చిన్నగా ఉండే ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం పెద్దగా అయింది. అంటే as the image is coming, object is coming closer to center of curvature, the image is also growing a little and it will become equal to the center, equal to the object when it is at center of curvature. Let's look at the next case. Object is further closer to center of curvature, not at center of curvature. Note, it is beyond center of curvature. అది చాలా దూరం ఉండే కొంచెం దగ్గర వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా దగ్గర వచ్చింది దేనికి center of curvature. Excuse me. Sorry. I'll do the same thing again. Ray parallel to principal axis passes through focus. Ray through focus will pass through principal axis. Here's the image, which is still further larger than the previous one. All right. As the object is moving closer to the mirror, the image is going away from the mirror. All right. Now let's look at the object which is at exactly at center of curvature. Here your starts all the cases. Now, interesting part is when it's center of curvature. Yes, Akhilesh, you are right. Absolutely right. Anjali, yes. Kumari, new names. Good to see you. Hello to the ones who are new to the session. Good. I mean, you're all not new to the session, but you're all interacting today, I feel. All right. Let's look at the next one. Again, I choose the same ray, parallel to principal axis. It passes through focus. A ray parallel to passing through focus. Intersection gives me the image. Note that yellow object and the red image are of same size, inverted and real. Excellent, Ria. All right. Now let's look at the next one. So what you observe is as the object is moving closer to the mirror, image is going away from the mirror. But when the special case is when it is at center of curvature, you find your image also to be at center of curvature, same size and inverted. Real, inverted and same size. Students, attendance form ochindi, please fill up the form. Take a minute and fill up the form. Okay, that's very important. All right, we'll take note of who is filling the form. Please do fill up the form. All right, now let's look at the object when it's between center of curvature and focus. Good, if you have filled it, Cyberden, good. But those who haven't filled, please fill up the form. Ganeshwar, good. Okay, answers are beyond C. Shruti says beyond C, good. But students, it's very important that you visualize the ray diagram when you are answering me. Visualize chestunara type yes or no. Ganeshwar will come to that. Ganeshwar will come to that. Yeah, good. Visualize cheyandi. Don't answer from memory. Memory is relying on memory is really dangerous. Memory eppudaina loss avachchu. Memory loss, there could be a memory loss, but reasoning, logic will never fail you. Memory can fail you, but logic will never fail you. Okay, logic lo magic undi. All right, let's look at the ray diagram again. I'll choose the principal ray parallel to principal axis that passes through focus. Now I will choose a ray parallel to focus. Sorry. Ray passing through focus that will get reflected parallel to the principal axis. And here you get the image. Look at this note that object and image is real, inverted, and larger than the object. All right, magnified. Inverted, real, and magnified. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మినిఫైడ్ ఉండే సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ దగ్గర వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈక్వల్ సైజ్ ఉండే బట్ నౌ ఇట్స్ మ్యాగ్నిఫైడ్. It's beyond C, excellent. So image is formed where the reflected light rays meet. You also observe that as object is moving closer to the mirror, image is going away from the mirror. Object is going closer to the mirror, image is going away from the mirror. All right. If you're not able to visualize the ray diagram, quickly draw the ray diagram on a piece of paper or a book. Use pen and paper, draw the ray diagram, and then answer the question. ఇది మీకు తెలుసు మెమరీతో చేయొచ్చు, but don't rely on memory. Sharpen your visualization skills. Physics is 90% visualization, students. All right, look at the object now. Object is exactly at focus. Okay, the moment the object appeared, answers are appearing. Excellent. But I request you to visualize, students. Visualization important, because when we start the ITJ coaching, we'll heavily rely on visualization, students. Okay, again, I'll choose same thing. A ray parallel to principal axis passes through focus. Now, I'll choose another ray, which is hitting the pole of the mirror. And it goes to infinity. This angle is equal to this angle because I is equal to R, as someone said. So rays appear to meet at infinity, hence real, highly enlarged image is formed at infinity. An inverted image, of course. All right, let's go for the next one. Students, now object is between focus and the pole. Now, what do you think happens? I'll do the same thing. A ray passing through parallel to principal axis passes through focus. A ray hitting the pole will get reflected symmetrically. Yes, Harsha, that's right. Sampath, virtual, good. New names today. Interesting. So many new names. Hello to everyone. And my name is Arun. Hi. All right. So if I extend these rays, excellent, excellent. So no real image, virtual image is formed, erected and magnified behind the mirror. That's the image. A virtual image is formed behind the mirror. Look at the ray diagram. Beautiful ray diagram, students. Ray diagram, so your expertise తీసుకుంటే your intermediate optics is piece of cake. Piece of cake అంటే very easy. All right, now let's look at the convex mirror. Look at the lines now. Reflected painted surface, each side on the right side on the reflective surface, left side on the. So that's a convex mirror. It's mentioned here. Convex mirror has inner surface painted. That's the center of curvature C. That's the pole of the mirror. If I join these two, I'll get principal axis. Line joining the pole and center of curvature is principal axis. Now let's see where the object is. Object is okay. Now again the rules for ray diagrams. Similar rules, students. Same logic. Logic same undi. Just a mirror koncham shape change ayindi. So ray passing through. Sorry, ray parallel to principal axis incident on the mirror will get reflected and it appears to come from a point called focus this way. Look at the dotted line. When a ray directed towards the center of curvature, it will reflect back, retrace the path and appears to come from center of curvature this way. Dotted line again. So these two rays are sufficient to form the image of any point object, of any point or object on the principal axis. All right. Incogity, students, we are making, all right, we'll come to this point. Incogity, we are able to form image of an extended object. Ray diagrams though. Think of a question. ఒక పాయింట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది నాకు ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ మీద. అప్పుడు రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తారు? అప్పుడు ఇమేజ్ ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తారు? Excellent answers. Have you understood my question, students? మనం ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ ఇమేజ్ ఫార్మ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇప్పుడు వరకు. ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లెంత్ ఉంది, హైట్ ఉంది. బట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ హావ్ అ పాయింట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆన్ ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్, అప్పుడు రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తారు? Think about it. All right, that's very interesting. Think about it. All right, let's go for the next one. Here's the object in front of convex mirror. From tip of the object, I'll draw a ray parallel to principal axis. That will get reflected and appears to pass through focus. Now from the tip of the object, I'll hit the mirror. Yes, Sampath Saivardhan, correct. Priya, Jyoti, yes. Now, when my ray is directed towards the center of curvature, it will get reflected. Retrace the path. That intersection of the dotted lines is the image. So where the rays appear to meet, the image is formed. It should be drawn as dotted line as it's a virtual image. Virtual image కాబట్టి మనం dotted line తో represent చేస్తున్నాం. Alright, that's the dotted line. That's the dotted line arrow, red arrow, which is an image, virtual image. Note that virtual image is diminished, minified, not magnified. Concave case లో virtual వచ్చినప్పుడు మనకి magnified image వచ్చింది. Concave will give you virtual. If at all concave gives you virtual, it gives you a magnified image. Virtual ఉంటే magnified అయి ఉంటుంది. Convex లో you will have virtual and minified. Alright, I repeat, concave లో virtual వస్తే it's magnified for sure. Convex లో virtual వస్తుంది and minified వస్తుంది for sure. కానీ my question is again the same question. My question is again the same thing. ఇది extended object ఉంది students. Yellow color the line. అదే point object ఉంటే principal axis మీద అప్పుడు ఎలా రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఇస్తారు. అప్పుడు ఎలా ఇమేజ్ ని ట్రేస్ చేస్తారు. That's the question. Think about it, students. It's very interesting. That's the foundation for the intermediate ray diagrams. Intermediate college లో మీరు రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ అవుతారు కదా, that's the foundation for it. చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మంచిగా ఈజీలీ క్రాక్ చేయొచ్చు. You can crack problems like that. All right, now let's go for the next one. Students, that completes the ray diagrams. Now let's look at the sign convention. ఇప్పుడు మనం ray diagrams చూసాం కానీ analytically using formula, if you have to solve the problem, we need to have a convention. A formula apply చేయడానికి ఒక sign convention కావాలి. ఆ parameters ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి మనకి? U, V and focal length, H, I, HO. These are all the parameters. ఈ parameters ని measure చేయడానికి మనకు ఒక sign convention కావాలి. ఆ sign convention ఏంటో చూద్దాం. So sign convention for the parameters related to the mirror equation. First is all distances should be measured from the pole. All right, from the pole of the mirror. That's very important. The distance is measured in the direction of incident light to be taken as positive, and those measured in the direction opposite to the incident light are taken to be negative, or to be taken as negative. And height of the object HO and height of the image HI are positive if measured upwards and negative if measured downwards. All right. Again, all the distances from the pole of the mirror and distances in the direction of incident ray positive, opposite direction of ray incident ray negative, upward positive, downward negative. All right. Now let's look at the magnification formula. The derivation on the students textbook, but we are just going for the conclusion. All right, we are just going for the conclusion, students. Magnification is defined as HI by HO or minus V by U. Either in terms of object and image distances, we can define magnification, or object and image height. Height of the image and height of the object, or the image distance by object distance, negative of V by U, or HI by HO. You can define in either of these two ways. కానీ అది point object ఉన్నప్పుడు we cannot define using height of the image, but point object ఉంటే we can define in terms of image distance and object distance. All right. And students, one interesting thing, we have been studying mirrors which are spherical, part of a sphere. But in practical applications, we have got not the spherical mirror, but a parabolic shaped mirror, which is also called paraboloidal mirror. All right. In practical applications, parabolic use చేస్తాము. ఈ పారాబోలిక్ మిర్రర్ ని ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో మీ +2 లో +1 +2 లో IITJEE సిలబస్ లో డీటెయిల్ గా చదువుతాం. ఈ పారాబోలిక్ మిర్రర్ ని కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్, కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ చదువుతాము, రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ చదువుతాము, బట్ రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఫర్ పారాబోలిక్ మిర్రర్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ విల్ డిస్కస్. ఆల్రైట్, పారాబోలిక్ మిర్రర్ డీటెయిల్ గా డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. ఆల్రైట్, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ది questions. Are you all ready for the questions now? Type yes in the chat box. If you have understood everything and are you ready for the exam questions, please type yes in the chat box. All right, Sampath says yes, Bhavna, yes, Gayatri, yes. Kumari, Shashank, Saivardhan, all right. Many more yeses, all right. All right, let's begin. All right. Attendance form fill up చేసేసారా అందరూ? If you haven't filled, I'll give you 30 seconds to fill. Please fill the attendance form. Whoever fill up చేయలేదు attendance form, please fill up the form. If you haven't got the link, because few students have just now joined, link మళ్ళీ పంపిస్తాము within a minute. Here's the first question, students. You will receive a link within a minute of the attendance form. Yes, here is the link. Please fill up the form. Ever fill up చేయలేదు, please fill up the form. All right, do fill up the form, students. Excellent. Answers are pouring in. Answers are pouring in like fluidic water. All right, let's look at the question. Light always selects the path which takes the least time to travel. This was first given by Fermat, Newton, Robert Hooke, Huygens. And the answer, as you all mentioned rightly, correctly, yes, I said that's Fermat's principle of least time. Good. That's actually Fermat. T silent ఉంటుంది, but that's okay. We call Fermat. All right, that's actually Fermat. All right, let's go for the next one. An object is placed at center of curvature of the concave mirror. The distance between its image and the pole is. Object is placed at center of curvature. Distance between its image and the pole is equal to f, between f and 2f, equal to 2f, greater than 2f. All right, consistent response. There is one wrong answer. At center of curvature, students. Someone has answered something else. Vishwant, it is at center of curvature. Note the question carefully. At center of curvature, so I want you to correct your answer. If it is between f and 2f, you'll have greater than 2f. If it is beyond center of curvature, you'll have between 0 to 2f, between f and 2f, greater than 2f if it is between f and 2f. All right, all these cases. But I want you to understand that it's at center of curvature. Yes, Vishwan, you are right now. I'm happy. All right, let's go for the key. Yes, equal to 2f, students. Excellent. Excellent performance. Excellent participation. Let's go for the next one. F is equal to r by 2 is valid for convex mirrors only, for concave mirrors only, for both convex and concave mirrors, neither convex nor concave mirrors. Okay. I'm waiting for any wrong answer. There is a wrong answer. Students, F is equal to r by 2, దేనికి valid అంటున్నారు? Convex mirror కినా, concave mirror కినా, లేకపోతే రెండిటికినా? Understand the question carefully, students. Only is saying convex mirror only, concave mirror only. Harsha, think again. Yeah, let's look at the key. It's 3 is correct, students. Excellent. I noticed one thing. Some students are consistently right. I really appreciate. You'll get a very good rank in entrance exams. You'll perform really well. Consistent ka correct answers istunar now. Good. All right. In the following, which is not the mirror formula? Which is not the mirror formula, is saying. If you remember the mirror formula carefully, you can answer this question. Second one is definitely a mirror formula. Fourth one is definitely a mirror formula. First one is కొంచెం algebraic manipulation చేసి simplify చేస్తే first one కూడా mirror formula నే. First one notice చేయండి students. Yes, Kumari, that's absolutely right. 3 is length formula. Good. 3 is not the mirror formula, it's the length formula. Yes, yeah, that's absolutely right. Oh, you have taken the pain to enter the whole equation. Okay, that's good. Appreciable. All right, let's go for the next one. Excellent. Everyone has answered the right one, but the student got confused between 1 and 4 also. There is a student who got confused between 1 and 4. 1 kaadu students, because 1 is nothing but if you simplify this mirror formula 2, you'll get 1. ఇంకా 2 లో మనం ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే 1/v ని లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే I'll get 4. So 1, 2 and 4 are same. Only 3 is different. All right, here's the next one. To get an image larger than the object, one can use convex mirror, concave mirror, plane mirror, both convex and concave mirrors. Image larger than the object. మనం ఇప్పుడే మాట్లాడాము. Yes, correct. There is a wrong answer. Students, be careful when you are answering or when you're guessing or you are going wrong. Please correct yourself because we have got another exam to face. ఇంకొక battle ఉంది. We need to battle it out. Yes, Aishan, that's excellent. Harsha, think again. Harsha, Saivardan, think again. మీకు almost వచ్చేసింది, but you're getting confused between mirrors. He says larger than the object. Convex mirror లో ఎప్పుడు larger than the object రాదు. Convex mirror అంటేనే మీకు గుర్తు రావాలి that the ray diagram when you draw, you'll get a diminished, a magnified virtual erect image. Magnified కాదు. He's asking magnified. Larger than the object. Yes, Saivardan, you are right now. Oh, that's informative, Ria. That's good. Students, Zoom లో మీటింగ్ లో ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు ఇప్పుడు మీరు అందరు ఫిల్అప్ చేయండి ఫామ్, అదర్వైజ్ యూల్ బి పుట్ ఇన్ ద వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్. Fill up చేయండి form. It will just take a minute, students. Why are you not filling up the form? It is very important. The ones who have filled, I appreciate, but there are students who have not filled. Here's the form again. Only form పంపించారు చూడండి. Take a minute and fill up the form. All right, let's look at the key. It's concave mirror. Excellent. Most of the answers were right, except 2 or 3 where students have gone wrong. I'm telling you again, మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ లో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఇమేజ్ ఎప్పుడు మినిఫైడే వస్తుంది. మనకి మ్యాగ్నిఫైడ్ ఇమేజ్, వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ రావాలి. To get a larger than the object, convex will not help you get larger size than the object. ఎప్పుడు మినిఫైడే వస్తుంది, మ్యాగ్నిఫైడ్ ఎప్పుడు రాదు కాన్వెక్స్ లో. సో కాన్వెక్స్ ఇస్ రూల్డ్ అవుట్. ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ విల్ గివ్ యూ సేమ్ సైజ్. సో ఓన్లీ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ కాన్కేవ్. కాన్కేవ్ లో ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, when it's between poor and focus, you'll get a magnified image. Oh, Swapna, you are having a problem opening the link. Link open కావట్లేదా? Okay. Okay, our team will look into it, but you try once again. Sir, what do we do if the link is not being open when you click? Is there any solution? All right, let's look at the next one. All right, Swapna, wait for a while. All right, you can do one thing, Swapna. What you can do is mention your details name, school, district, and mandal and send it to 9642215226. వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ ని వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. స్వప్న, మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే మీ నేమ్, స్కూల్, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ అండ్ మండల్ అండ్ ఫోన్ నంబర్ నోట్ అక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేశారు. నేమ్, స్కూల్, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్, మండల్ అండ్ ఫోన్ నంబర్ టు 9642215226. ఓకే, ఒకవేళ లింక్ ఓపెన్ కావట్లేదంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏదైనా అక్కడ ఇష్యూ వస్తుందంటే యూ కెన్ యూజ్ వాట్సాప్. వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ 9642215226 ఉంది కదా, దట్స్ ఫర్ యూ టు రీచ్ అస్. యూ కెన్ రీచ్ ఎనీ టైమ్ ఫర్ ఎనీథింగ్. యూజ్ దట్ టు రీచ్ అస్ అండ్ వీ విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫార్మ్. ఫార్మ్ మేము ఫిల్అప్ చేసేస్తాము. రైట్, రిమెంబర్ దట్ ఫోన్ నంబర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. అక్కడ ఆ ఫోన్ నంబర్ మమ్మల్ని రీచ్ కావాలంటే ఆ ఫోన్ నంబర్ యూజ్ చేయండి. That phone number is a number to reach us anytime and for anything. All right, let's go for next one. I suggest again, those who haven't filled the form, please fill the form. Do fill the form right away. If an incident ray passes through the center of curvature of a spherical mirror, the reflected ray will pass through focus, pass through center of curvature, pass through pole, retrace its path. Okay. Students, I don't want to name a couple of students, but they are going wrong consistently. మీరు కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. నేను కీ చెప్పిన తర్వాత నోట్ చేసుకోండి స్టూడెంట్స్. అండ్ దెన్ వన్స్ యూ రివైజ్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్, ఐ సజెస్ట్ యూ గో బ్యాక్ టు ది యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఒకసారి మీరు రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్రైట్, బికాస్ యూర్ గోయింగ్ రాంగ్. దట్స్ ఓకే టు బి రాంగ్, బట్ కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి ఇంపార్టెంట్ స్టూడెంట్స్. రైట్, యూర్ రాంగ్. ఆల్రైట్. Yes, passes through C and retraces the path actually. That's true. 4 is also right, students. 4 చెప్పిన వాళ్ళు కూడా right. It's a multi-correct one. Let's go for the next one. The distance between pole and focus of the mirror is equal to pole and focus. Double of the radius of curvature, half the radius of curvature, double of focal length, half of focal length. మనం ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూసాం చూడండి, F is equal to R/2 అని. ఆప్షన్స్ ని కొంచెం కేర్ఫుల్ గా చదవండి స్టూడెంట్స్. డబుల్ ద రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ 2R ఉంటుందా? Is F is equal to 2R? No. Half the radius of curvature, R/2. Is F is equal to R/2? Yes, Riya, that's absolutely right. Gayatri, right. Yaneshwar, right. Bhavana, Kumari, Saivardhan. Bhavana, check your answer. Akhilesh, Malika, Raja Malika, Sai Charan, yes. So option 2 is absolutely right. Good students, good. తప్పు పోయిన వాళ్ళు ప్లీజ్ కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి స్టూడెంట్స్. దట్స్ ఓకే టు బి రాంగ్, బట్ రైట్ యువర్ రాంగ్. మీరు కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ద హోల్ ఇంటెన్షన్ బిహైండ్ ద ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్ ఇస్ టు మేక్ యూ గెట్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఫర్ ది వారియర్, యాజ్ అ వారియర్, లైక్ ఫర్ ది ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్. అక్కడ పర్ఫార్మ్ చేయడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆల్రైట్, ఇక్కడ ట్రైనింగ్, అక్కడ టెస్టింగ్. ఆల్రైట్, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Here is the statement: the distance is focal length, which is equal to half the radius of curvature. పోల్ నుంచి ఫోకస్ వరకు ఫోకల్ లెంత్ అంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు R/2. ఆల్రైట్, full length image of a distant tall building can definitely seen by అంటున్నారు. Convex mirror, concave mirror, plane mirror, both 1 and 2. Distant tall building ది మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్ చూడాలంటే మనకి ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ చూడొచ్చా? డెఫినెట్లీ, ఖచ్చితంగా చూడగలవాలి. కాన్వెక్స్ లో ఖచ్చితంగా చూడగలుగుతాము, కాన్కేవ్ లో కూడా చూడగలుగుతాం అనుకుంటా కదా, ఎందుకంటే డిస్టెంట్ ఉంది. విల్ హ్యావ్ అ ఇమేజ్ సమ్వేర్ బిట్వీన్ ఫోకస్ అండ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్, మినిఫైడ్ ఇమేజ్. ఎస్, Pavani, Sampath, Bhavana, Saivardhan, Kumari, right. All these are right. Naveshri, Navneet, Redmi, Gayatri. Redmi, check your answer. Lahari, good. Priya, think again. Priya, think again. Concave mirror ఎందుకు కాదు? Real minified image రావచ్చు కదా ఒక డిస్టెంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ది. All right, let's look at the key. It's both 1 and 2 students. Priya, are you convinced? Yeah, because this is the first question you have gone wrong. So that's why I'm asking you if you're convinced or not. I really appreciate for being correct consistently. If the first question is tappu poyindi, that's okay. All right. Oh, okay. You thought it's a virtual image? All right. Because we can get diminished images by these mirrors. Convex ఇంకా concave తో plane mirror తో we need a particular size of the plane mirror. ఒక plane mirror capture చేయాలంటే virtual image చూడాలంటే ఒక particular size కావాల్సి వస్తుంది depending on the object size. ఎప్పుడు చూడండి but is definitely seen by. ఆ definitely ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది convex concave లో అవుతుంది. All right, let's go for the next one. Students, if you don't fill up the form, you will be put out of the meeting room. That is not good, students. All right, please fill up the form because we can get diminished image by these mirrors. Plane mirror gives the same size image, but may not always be possible, as we just discussed. All right, which is not a correct relation. A the correct kaadu. M is equal to minus 3 by u, that we have seen already. F is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, that is also we have seen already. M is equal to ho by hi. F is equal to v by 2. Think again, this is a good question. Fourth option, manchiga alochintandi students. 3, 4 లో కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది మీకు. 3 ఖచ్చితంగా తప్పు, బట్ 4 ఎందుకు తప్పు కాదు? Sampath, 4 is right answer, but why is 4th or not a wrong answer? That's a correct relation. Why is it a correct relation? He says not correct relation ni select cheyandi. So m is equal to hi by ho. Ikkada ho by hi icharu. So that's wrong. But f is equal to v by 2. Adi enduku tappu kaadu. Okay, I'll reveal the key. Think about it. This is the answer, students. Adi obvious. M is equal to minus v by u or m is equal to hi by ho. But ikkada ho by hi icharu. So that is not the correct relation. Kani 4th enduku correct kaadu? 4th enduku correct relation avutundi? Why is it not a wrong answer? Wrong relation. Incorrect relation. Because look at the statement. 1 into our standard formula, option 4 is possible when the object is at C. C దగ్గర ఉంటే B is equal to 2f అయిపోతుంది. 2f by 2 is f. So that's also valid. That's a valid relation. When the object is at C, center of curvature. Excellent, Priya. I really appreciate that. Priya, brilliant performance. Priya, I appreciate Priya, excellent for your thinking, for your approach, your reasoning. I really appreciate. All right, let's go forward. Okay, here's the next one. The mirror which has a wider field of view must be convex, concave, plane, or none. Field of view, denki ekko untundi, wider field of view. Yes, Bhavna, right. Shashank is right. Okay, Sai Charan. Field of view, పెద్దగా ఉండాలి students. But let's think again. Sai Charan is right. The field of view concept, మళ్ళీ intermediate వస్తుంది. Ray optics మొత్తం మళ్ళీ intermediate వస్తుంది. Both will have 3 approaches: analytical, geometrical, and graphical. Graphical ఇప్పుడు వరకు మీరు చూడలేదు. Intermediate లో వచ్చినప్పుడు graphical approach చూస్తాము. That's amazing. Trust me, that's beautiful. All right, let's look at the key. It's convex, students. Option 1 is absolutely right. Yes, Malesh, that's right. All right, let's go for next one. Convex mirror has a wider field of view. A small convex can cover a large area. All right. Both object and image are either side of the mirror. Then the sign of magnification is either side of the mirror ante object inside unte image emo behind the mirror ఉంది. So magnification ఏం ఉంటుంది? Is it positive, negative, zero or infinity? మళ్ళీ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. Image is behind the mirror. Object in front of the mirror ఉంటే image is behind the mirror. Either side. ఇది ఒక సైడ్ ఇటు సైడ్ ఉంది, అది ఒక సైడ్ వేరే సైడ్ ఉంది. Front of the mirror, behind the mirror. అప్పుడు వర్చువల్ వస్తుంది. Harsha, think again. You can correct yourself. That's okay. But Harsha, I really appreciate for attempting. You're consistently attempting the answers. Very good, Harsha. But correct yourself whenever you go wrong. Or if at all you go wrong, anyone, please correct yourself. Everaina. Okay. I would appreciate Ria again for the reason you have given me. That's positive. Excellent. Many students have given me 1. Excellent students. But there were students who have gone wrong. Only virtual images are formed on other side of mirror. So virtual images are erect and hence magnification is positive. అది ఇప్పుడు మనం చూసాం కదా రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ లో కూడా కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ లో అదర్ సైడ్ ఉంటుంది, అది ఖచ్చితంగా ఇరెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్. కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ లో వెన్ ఇట్స్ బిట్వీన్ పోల్ అండ్ ఫోకస్ వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది, మ్యాగ్నిఫైడ్ వస్తుంది, ఇరెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది. వర్చువల్ అంటేనే ఇరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది అండ్ ఇట్స్ ది అదర్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది మిర్రర్. Yes, Shruti, Gyaneshwar, Saivardhan, Shruti has changed your answer. Very good. Let's go for the next one. What is the nature of the image formed? Real diminished, virtual diminished, real magnified, virtual magnified. Look at the incident ray. Incident ray is parallel to the principal axis and reflected rays passing through the focus. Students, మళ్ళీ attendance form పంపించారు. మీరు ఫిల్అప్ చేయలేదంటే ఫిల్అప్ చేయండి, otherwise you will be put out of the meeting room. Yes, consistent right answer. చూడండి స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇక్కడ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటే ఇమేజ్ అది ఒక పాయింట్ సైజ్ ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇట్స్ బీయింగ్ మినిఫైడ్ నా డిమినిష్డ్, మ్యాగ్నిఫైడ్ కాదు. ఇట్స్ రియల్ అండ్ డిమినిష్డ్, మినిఫైడ్. So one is absolutely right, students. All right, here's the next one. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal for the mirror of which kind of mirror? We have got I is equal to R. For which kind of mirror? Students, there are many students who are not interacting. Harshad, Geeta, Jerry, Apurva, Chaitanya, Ashwini. These are students who are not interacting. Kalyani, Manasa, Navyasri, Rajeshwari, Nandini. These are students who are not interacting. Students, please interact. And if you haven't filled the form, please fill the form. Shivacharan, Shireen, Srinidhi, Akshay, Jerry. All right. Okay, Geeta, that's okay. So, but interact from now on. All right. I didn't know. And send your answers to me, Jet Arun. All right. So that I'll get to know that you are sending or interacting. Otherwise, I presume that you are not interacting. All right, send your answers to me. Arun, Jet Arun. Jet Arun is the name over there. And I is equal to R is for which mirror, students? Concave, convex, plane, or all? I got wrong answer as well. తప్పు పోవడంలో ఏం తప్పు లేదు స్టూడెంట్స్, కానీ కరెక్ట్ చేయకుండా అది పెద్ద తప్పు. ప్లీజ్ కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఐ రివీల్ ద కీ. ఇట్స్ ఆల్. I is equal to R is for reflection, students. సర్ఫేస్ ఎలా అయినా ఉండనియండి, ర్యాండమ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఉంటే కూడా ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే ఒక నార్మల్ డ్రా చేస్తే నార్మల్ తో I is equal to R డెఫినెట్లీ ఉంటుంది. దట్స్ లా ఆఫ్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్. దట్ ఇస్ irrespective of the shape of the surface of reflection. All right, it's 4. 4 is absolutely right, students. For convex mirror, which is correct? Magnification is positive, focal length is negative, image distance is negative, object distance is positive. Convention, you measure everything from pole, one thing, and direction ela positive negative ela decide chestaru. Incident ray direction lo unte positive, incident ray opposite direction lo unte negative. So focal length positive untunda negative untunda? Yes, Priya is right, Yaneshwar is right. Okay, Geeta, let's check the answer. Geeta, image distance is negative antunnaru. Question em antunnaru? Convex mirror, which is correct. Image distance ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Convex mirror lo image is behind the mirror always. Convex mirror lo image is always behind the mirror. Now behind the mirror ante incident direction ఎలా ఉంటే behind the mirror ఉంటే it's positive కదా. So image distance is always positive and U is always negative. Yes, excellent response, excellent reasoning. Students are giving me reasons as well. Reason behind their answer. Excellent, students. I can bet that you will perform very well in not just in intermediate but in engineering also. Yes, Saicharan, that's absolutely right. Let's look at the key. Magnification is always positive. It's a virtual erect image you get always in convex mirror. That's why magnification is always positive. Focal length negative కాదు, positive ఉంటుంది. Image distance positive ఉంటుంది. Object distance negative ఉంటుంది. All right, let's go to the next one. If an object is placed at C on the axis in front of a concave mirror, the position of the image is at pole, focus, radius of curvature, center of curvature. Yes, good, Rajamarika, you have given me the right answer. The ones who have given me right answer, I really appreciate them. Okay. Saicharan has got confusion. So third is not a point, it's just a radius of curvature. Kumari is absolutely right. Akhilesh, Kumari, Saivardhan, Redmi, Saicharan, Harshita, yes. Gayatri, yes. Priya, yes. Taruni, Ria, Shashank, Jerry. Oh, Jerry is now interacting. Good, Jerry. All right, let's look at the key. It's center of curvature, students. Obviously, center of curvature మీద ఉంటే inverted image, real image, center of curvature మీద వస్తుంది. Right, next one. Parallel rays are those which pass through, paraxial rays are those which pass through center of curvature, passing through focus, close to principal axis, all the above. All right. Paraxial rays దేనికి అంటారు స్టూడెంట్స్? The rays which pass through focus, the rays pass through center of curvature, rays close to principal axis, or all the above. Paraxial rays దేనికి అంటారు? Paraxial rays are rays which are very close to principal axis. In fact, they make very small angle with the principal axis, around 5 degrees to 15 degrees. Not more than that. In fact, 5 degrees, less than 5 degrees, the paraxial rays antaru. Yes, Aisharan, that's absolutely right. Geeta, you are right. No, Geeta, check your answer again. Malesh, you're right. Shalini, please check. Okay, let's look at the key. Close to principal axis, students. Paraxial rays antaru, which are not close, they are called non-paraxial rays. Non-paraxial rays intermediate lo untundi. 10th లో paraxial rays వరకే ఉంది. Non-paraxial rays treatment intermediate లో ఉంటుంది. Rajamalika, paraxial is nothing but rays which are very close to principal axis. అంటే ఇది కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ అనుకుంటే, rays ఇంత దూరం ఉండకూడదు. ఇది కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్, ఇది ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ అనుకుంటే, they should be very close to principal axis. That is one thing. Or they should make a very small angle with the principal axis. Their angle of incidence should also be very small. That is called paraxial rays. Is it okay, Rajamalika? They'll make very small angle with the principal axis, less than 5 degrees, let's say. Okay, you will have this in detail in intermediate. Don't worry if you don't understand this right now. Just understand that they're close to principal axis. What do you mean by non-paraxial rays and paraxial rays? You'll have in detail in intermediate. So you don't have to worry much about it right now. All right, students, you'll have next session. I request Gayatri ma'am to take over. Gayatri ma'am, over to you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you very much, sir.
Thank
Very
you,
good
ma'am.
evening, students. Yes, sir. Fine, sir. Very good evening, students. Hope you all have done your exams well. And let's move on to Max. How was your day today? Quickly message me. By then, let me share it. Yes, it was good. Okay. All right. Yes, students. So today we will do the set theory. So let us start with max test. You can refer your textbook, class notes, or any other material to answer the questions. All right? Yes. Are you all ready? Hope you all are ready. Let's start with your first question is, if n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B, then A and B are dash sets. So it's very simple. Usually we always start the first question, like I will disclose the answer, but this time I'm not going to tell you. Very simple question. So I'm sure you all will answer. So it requires less than 5 seconds to give me your answer. Put your answers in the chat box, waiting for your answer. Let's see how many are giving me the correct answer. Yes, good evening. Good evening. Many have wished me. Thank you. Good evening. Okay. All right. The answers are coming. All right. Chaitanya. All right. Let me, because almost many have given me the answer. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer as the first one, disjoint. Yes, many of you have given me the correct answer is disjoint. Good students. All right. Let's move on to the next question. A minus B union C is equal to dash. So this is purely a formula. So quickly think over it and give me your answer. Is it option A minus B intersection A minus C? Or is it A minus B minus C? Or is it A minus B union A minus C? Or is it A minus B union C? All right, so the second and fourth is ruled out, isn't it? So you all know it. So the choice is between 1 and 3. So one clue I've given you. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Yes. Sai Vardhan, Harshita. All right, all right, all right. So Kumari. Yes, please send answers to me, students. Jet Gayatri. All right. So Swapna, Redmi, Shashank. All right. Many have given me the answer. Let me see. The first one is a correct answer. It's a purely formula A minus B intersection A minus C. All right, let's move on to the next question. If A and B are two non-empty sets such that A minus B is equal to null set and B minus A is equal to null set, then dash. Is it option 1, A intersection B is equal to null set, or is it option 2, A is a complement or equal to B, or is it option 3, B is complement or equal to A, or is it option 4, A is equal to B? All right. So let's see how many are giving me the right answer. It's very simple. If you read the question, you will understand it. It's like that. All right. Yes, Bhavana. All right. Harshita. Bhavana, check your answer. Malesh, Taruni. Students, think over it and write. It's all formula based, isn't it? Shashank, you're absolutely right. Malesh, check your answer. Bhavna, Gayatri, you're right. Bhavna, again, you're giving me the same wrong answer. Yes. Shashank, was your option 4? Then it is right. Now you're giving me the right answer. Sai Vardhan, you're right. All right, all right. So it is option 4 where A is equal to B. All right. Yes. See the next question. I'm sure this must be your very favorite because it's purely formula based and very simple, isn't it? So n of A is equal to 15, n of B is equal to 10, n of A intersection B is equal to 5. Then what is n of A union B? Right? So quickly put it in the formula and give me your answer. I can quickly tell you the formula. Though we have already discussed, it's n of A union B is nothing but n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. All right. So with this, quickly work it out and give me your answer. Less than 30 seconds is enough to solve this question. All right. Malesh, Harshita, check your answer. It's merely addition and subtraction, isn't it? Bhavna, you're right. Shruti, you're right. Shashank, you're right. Shreen, no. Check your answer, ma. Redmi, you're right. All right. So many are giving me the right answers as the time goes on. Yes, it is right. Option 3, which is 20. See, as I told you, n of A union B, the formula is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So just substitute it. N of A is 15 plus n of B is 10 minus n of A intersection B is minus 5, which will give us 20, option 3. All right, excellent. To those who have given me the right answer, let's move on to the next question. A union A is A. Perfect. Absolutely, it's right. But it is of what law? Is it identity law? Is it a complement law? Or is it an idempotent law? Or is it a commutative law? Yes. So this does not require any working, isn't it? It's purely a theory. So you would have read it about this when we were talking about the associative law and all that. So let me see how many are giving me. Yes, Pavani, you're right. Sai Charan, check your answer. You've just slipped by one number. All right. Malesh, you're right. Redmi Note, you're right. Yes, almost all are giving me this option 3. Excellent. See the next question. If P of A is equal to 128, then the number of elements in A is dash. Yes. Is it clear? The question is very simple. If n of P of A is 128, then the number of elements in A is dash. Right? So you need to apply to the formula. What formula you need to apply? N of P of A is equal to what? 2 power n, isn't it? So if 2 power n is 128, then what is n? Is it clear? Fine? Yes. Now you must be able to give me the correct answer. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. So almost 30 seconds is over. Yes, I have clicked the answer as 3, which is 7. Let me see how many are giving me option 3. Shashank, okay, Gayatri, Taruni, Shalini, you're right, Sai Vardhan, okay, almost all are giving me. Some student has worked out the answer and given me excellent. It is option 3, that is 7. All right, you can see the workings. N of P of A is equal to 2 power n. So what is n of P of A? It is given in the sum as 128, which is equal to 2 of n. All right, so you need to make this 128 as 2 power something, isn't it? So 2 power 7 is 128. So the base is equal, therefore the power should also be the same, isn't it? So 2 power 7 is equal to 2 power n, which gives n is equal to 7. All right, fine. Good students, to those who have tried. See the next question. If A intersection B is a null set, then B intersection A dash is dash. Right? So let me again repeat. If A intersection B is a null set, then B intersection A dash is dash. Right? So let's see how many. Little tricky, but not very difficult. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Gayatri, that's what I said. Little tricky. You need to think over it. If you want, you can substitute any numbers and find out as per the laws. Isn't it? Yes. Harsha, Teja, Sai Charan, many have given me the answer. Let's see. Swapna, you're right. No, Swapna, you need to check. Jerry. Before Jerry, somebody has given me the right answer. Shruti. All right. So it's literally running. I'm not able to read all the names. Yes, it is option 2. That is B. All right. Yes. See, this question was repeated in the year 2005. All right. See the next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Right. So A intersection B is a null set, which implies A is equal to null set or B is equal to null set. Right. See the second one, A minus B is a null set, which implies A is a complement of B. Third one, A union B is a null set, which means A is a complement of B. Fourth one, A union B is equal to A delta B. All right, so let's see how many are able to give me the right answer. Is it option 1, 2, 3, or 4? Let's quickly move on and check the chat box. Redmi note, you're right. All right, literally it's running. I'm not able to read all the names. Geeta Devi. Yes, Shashank. All right. So many are giving me the right answer. The correct answer is option 2. A minus B is a null set, which implies A is a complement of B. All right. With this, let's move on to the next question. If A, B, C are non-collinear points, then AB intersection AC is dash. All right. Again, I'm repeating. If A, B, C are non-collinear points, then AB intersection AC is dash. Is it option 1 a null set, or is it option 2 set A, or is it option 3 A, B, C, or is it option 4 0? Yes, can I have the answers very quickly, because I wanted to finish off this full revision today. Let's see how many are giving me. Yes, almost all. Sai Charan, Harshita, Pavani, Raghu. Raghu has written something I'm not able to follow. What? Oh, I don't know. Okay. How about others? Let me drag and see. Okay, Harsha Teja. All right. Fine. So almost all are giving me the answer. The correct answer is option 2. That is set A. All right. Yes. See the next question. Again, formula based. If n of A union B is 25, n of A is 25, n of B is 10, then what is n of A intersection B? All right. So the same question in a different format where n of A union B was asked and n of A intersection B was given. So we just applied it in the formula. In the same formula, you have to apply this. Instead of asking A union B, n of A union B, n of A intersection B is asked to us. So we can just put this in that formula and get the answer. Okay. Let me repeat the formula for your convenience, students. It's n of A union B is nothing but n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. All right. Yes. So 20 seconds I'm giving you, not more than that. Quickly work it out in that and give me your right answer. All right. I think the time is running. Time is running. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. Bhavani, Jerry, Saivardhan, Gayatri. Okay. Almost all. Ria, Kumari. Ria, your answer is wrong. Check your answer. Kumari, your answer is wrong. You just have to work out and give me the answer now, students. Why you're making mistakes in this? Isn't it? All right. So let's go to the answer. It is option 3. How? See, n of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So A union B is 25 is equal to n of A is 25. All right. Plus n of B is 10 minus n of A intersection B. All right. So n of A intersection B is 10. Yes, sorry, the answer was wrongly highlighted as 20. It is option 1. All right. Good. Good to those who have given me the correct answer. Excellent. Fine. So let's rectify it. It's option 1. N of A intersection B is 10. All right. See the next question. For any two sets A and B, A union B dash intersection B is dash. All right. So A union B dash intersection B is it A dash intersection B dash, or is it A intersection B, or is it A dash union B dash, or is it A? Yes. Let me check the chat box. How many are giving me the right answer? Taruni, Riya Nayak. Let me quickly come down. Bhavana, Pavani, Geeta. Yes, Geeta, you're right. Geeta Devi, you're right. Harsha. All right. Fine. The answers are running. It is option 2, A intersection B. All right. See the next question. Out of 100 students, 50 fail in English and 30 fail in mathematics. If 12 students fail in both English and mathematics, the number of students passing in both these subjects is dash. Yes. So again, this is formula based. Understand the question? Out of 100 students, 50 fail in English and 30 fail in mathematics. If 12 students fail in both English and mathematics, the number of students passing in both these subjects is dash. Is it clear? So apply this formula. N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Yes, so what is N of A can be taken here? We can take N of A as the students who failed in English, that is 50. All right. And for B, you can take it as mathematics, that is N of B as plus 30. All right. And N of A intersection B is the 12 students who failed in both. All right. So now what is that we need to find out is N of A union B. Right? That is the total students failed. Okay. All right. So let's quickly see how many are going to give me the right answer. I've given you more time for this. Let's see how many are giving me the answers. Harshita, you're right. I suppose you worked it out and then you're giving me the answer. I want everybody to work out the sum. Okay. Let me explain it. The explanation is given very clearly here. It is option 1, 32. Is it clear how? N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So as I told you, N of A, we have taken it as 50. N of B, we have taken it as 30. Minus 12, that is the students who failed in both English and Maths. So we get N of A union B is 68. All right. Now what is that they are asking is, they are asking the number of students passing in both these subjects. Is it clear? So the total students failed we are getting as 68. So how would you find out the students who passed in both? So out of the total number of students, that is 100, you have to deduct this total failed student 68, which will give us 32, the number of students who passed in both. Is it clear? Yes, that is how we are arriving at option 1, that is 32. Few students have given me the answer and others have given me different answers. Students, you need to work out, think, and then give me the answers. All right? Yes, see the next question, again formula based. If N of A union B is 51, N of A is 20, N of B is 44, then the value of N of A intersection B is dash. So again use the formula N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Then give me the answer. All right, so 20 seconds I'm giving you, almost 10 seconds is gone. So let me quickly count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the answers are also started coming in the chat box. It's merely addition and subtraction, isn't it? So it doesn't require much of time. Yes, Sai Vardhan has given me the answer. Malesh. Bhavna, you're right. Gayatri, you've given me the right answer. Yes. Pavani. I think the answers are slowly coming from the student side, isn't it? Okay. Jerry, check your answer. Okay. Harshita. All right, Shalini, the answers are slowly coming. I'm not able to give you much time. Okay, because it's a very simple one. Mere application of formula. It's option 2, 13. How? Just quickly look at the board. N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Just substitute the formula. 51 is equal to 20 plus 44 minus N of A intersection B, which gives N of A intersection B as 13. Option 2. All right. You see the next question. A intersection B dash is dash. Very simple rather. A intersection B dash is it A minus B, B minus A, or is it A dash minus B, or is it A minus B dash? So absolutely formula based. Let's see. And I want everybody to, participate and give me the answer, students. So don't be just, watching it. Please work it out. Be a participant. All right. Yes, then only you will be able to rectify your answers. Many are giving me the answer, but I'm not getting the full response. All right, Harshita, Gayatri, Harshateja, Pavani, Jerry, Rajeshwari. All right, now the answers are really pouring. I'm not able to read all the names. Let's see. It is A minus B. All right. Yes. See the next question. If A and B are two disjoint sets, then the value of A intersection B is dash. Is it null set? Is it A, or is it B, or is it mu? See, this question was asked in the year 2014. Aptly, it has been taken for you now. Right? So there are two disjoint sets. Now, what is A intersection B? Nothing would be common between A and B, isn't it? All right. So now you'd be yes. Yes. Everybody is giving me the right answer. So I don't have to read the names because almost all are giving me the option 1 as the correct answer. Perfect. Excellent, students. You all have taken up the clue well. See the next question. If A complement B is subset of B, then A union of B minus A is equal to dash. Is it null set? Is it mu? Is it B or is it A? All right. So let's see. Again, this is a formula based. Very simple, in fact. So you'd have done many sums based on this, isn't it? All right. Let's see how many are giving me option correctly. Harsha Teja, Rajeshwari, Akhilesh Reddy. It is not null set. Shashank, it is not null set. Okay. Gayatri, all right. So I'm getting a different answer here. It is option 3, that is B. All right. So, when you get confused about the formula, the best solution is, students, you can put your own numbers. You can give like on set A is this, set B is this, and then you can just find out, quickly solve it, and then you can choose the option in such cases if you have time in your exams. All right, see the next question. If n of A is 5, n of B is 4, n of A union B is 7, then what is n of A intersection B? All right, so again, the same formula is repeated. N of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So quickly substitute the formulas and give me the answer. So not more than 20 seconds is required for this. I'm sure by now the answers would have been coming. Okay, let's see. Riya Naik, Harsha Tej, Sai Vardhan, Akhilesh Reddy, Shashank, Gayatri, Malesh, Rajeshwari. Okay, almost all are giving me the answer. Yes, it is option 2. That is 2. Yes, you can see how the values are being substituted and we are getting 2 as the correct answer, option 2. All right, let's move on to the next question. You can see the Venn diagram here. Venn diagram of A intersection B union C is dash. So is it the first figure that is being done, or is it the second one, or is it the third one, or is it the fourth one? Is it clear? So when we are doing Venn diagram, you just do it by yourself and then you see B union C, and in that what is A? All right. So A intersection B union C. All right. Just give me a second, students. Just a second. All right, students, which is the correct option? Let's quickly see how many of you have given me. Sorry for that break. Many are giving me option 1, 2, 3. No, students. By this time, you should have worked out and given me the right answer. It is option 4. All right. Yes. See the next question. If A, comma B and C are 3 sets, A minus B union C is what? So you just have to give me the formula. Is it option 1, A minus B union A minus C, or is it option 2, A minus B intersection C, or is it option 3, A minus B intersection A minus C, or is it option 4, A union B minus A union C? So again, this is a formula based. Let me see how many are going to give me the right answers. Let me check how many are giving me. Kumari, Jerry, Riya Naik, Harshita, G. Murali. Okay, Malesh. All right, so many are giving me the right answers, but the correct exact answer is option 3. A minus B intersection A minus C. All right, see the next question. What is A union B the whole dash? Yes, A intersection B the whole dash. Is it option 1 A intersection B dash? Or is it option 2 A intersection B? Or is it option 3 A dash union B dash? Or is it option 4 A union B? Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. So this should be very simple. So let us go with the answer. It is A dash union B dash. See the next question. A intersection A dash is a null set. What is it? Is it an identity law? Or is it a De Morgan's law? Or is it a commutative law? Or is it a complement law? Yes. So let's see how many are able to recollect this question. Oh, I'm very surprised. Many are giving me option 4 as a right answer. Yes. All right. Yes, yes. Fine. Option 4. Yes, it is perfect. Complement law. All right. See the next question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, set 1 or 1, 2 or 3, 4. Then which of the following is true? All right. So 3 is an element of A, or is it 1, 3 is an element of A, or 1, 2 which is an element of A, or is it none? Yes, let's see how many are giving me the answer. So I think we need to go about this. It's very simple, isn't it? It's option 3, 1, 2, which is the element of A. All right, see the next question. Among the following constitutes well-defined objects is dash. Is it beautiful girls? Or is it good newspapers? Or is it tall boys? Or is it orange trees in the garden? So what constitutes well-defined objects? Let's see how many are able to give me the answer for this. Okay, let's see. 1 second. Let me just see the new messages. Yes, Aichar and Jerry. Right, almost all are giving me the answers are coming. Yes, option 4. Orange trees in the garden. Perfect. See the next question. Among the following constitutes, the same question is repeated. So see the explanation here. Beautiful, tall, good are not well defined. What is good for one person may not be good for other. All right. Yes. See the next question. If A and B be two non-empty sets, then what is A minus B? Is it A intersection B? Or is it A dash intersection B? Or is it A intersection B dash? Or is it A minus B dash? Right? So give me the correct answer. If A and B be two non-empty sets, then what is A minus B? All right, so let's check the answer. How many are giving me the right answer? Okay, many are giving me, but 1 second. Okay, Gayatri, many more are giving me the right answer. I think still many are working on it. It is option 3, that is A intersection B dash. All right, so excellent students. Please keep trying and always revise the formulas and go through. So it's actually time. So let me hand over it to Arun sir. Over to you, Arun sir.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Hello, students. Students, I just want to make a small announcement. We have a surprise tomorrow. I'll introduce an interesting book to you tomorrow. A book which is going to be very interesting. I love reading that book. It's going to be a surprise tomorrow. So please join us again tomorrow at 7:25 p.m. Our book introduced Chese. So we'll talk about the book. What is the content of the book? Book Denki Avsaram Avani. We'll talk about it tomorrow. But join us tomorrow at 7:25 p.m. All right. And those who haven't filled the form, please fill the form. Attendance form fill up cheseyandi. Okavela problem ostundante, you please send all your details to WhatsApp number, name, school, mandal, district, and phone number to the WhatsApp number 96422-15226. Please fill up the attendance form. It will take a minute, students. Attendance form fill up cheseyandi. మళ్ళీ పెట్టారు చూడండి, ఫామ్ పెట్టారు. And tomorrow we're going to talk about interesting book.